Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on taking our English language lessons. My name is teacher Inas al-Hadithi. So have your books ready. This is for the second year, continuing education. We will be having some enrichment activities. What do we mean, or what does enrichment activities mean? It means that we will have extra activities, extra exercises to ensure that we have learned or that we have gained all the knowledge we need from Unit 2. The name of the unit is called My School. This is the first session. Let's start. Bismillah. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, you'll be able to have more exercises about numbers. So far, we've taken numbers from number 1 till number 20. So we will have extra exercises, more than one different exercises to check your understanding. Also, we will be able, after we get the numbers, to revise singular and plural. What do we mean by singular and what do we mean by plural? Also, we will, as I mentioned earlier, be doing different exercises. Matching, counting, saying, maybe tracing, and so on. Let's start. This is the cover of your book. Make sure that you have your book now and have a piece of a paper and a pencil to write whatever you want. Again, this is the cover of your unit 2. As you can see, you can always go ahead and scan the barcode here for extra exercises. Make sure you have your pencils and pens, and let's start. Bismillah. This is the name of your unit. Again, the name is called My School. We were able in this unit to name different items inside the classroom, like a board, a chair, a desk. Also, we were able to name different items in my bag, like a book, a ruler, a pencil, a sharpener, and so on. In this lesson, we will write. So as I told you before, have pencils and sheet of papers or maybe a notebook to write with me. Also, we will read and read a lot. Let's start with numbers, my dear student. Let's start with numbers. So all I want you to do now is have your pencils ready because I need you to write with me. Write the numbers, do the math, start counting, do the exercises with me. Let's start with numbers from number 1 to number 10. Let's start by reading together. What I need you to do now is listen and repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now, what I need you to do now is write or trace the number. So have your pencils ready and start tracing with me. I will go with the red color. So start tracing or make sure you are writing the numbers in a correct way. So for example, this is number 1. Okay? Let's go ahead and write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. So let's go ahead and read our numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. So we have the numbers from number 1 till number 10. Let's go ahead and carry on taking more numbers. Okay. So after 10, what do I have? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. It's very important, for example, to make sure you don't mix 15 with 50. So the number to your left, that is in black, this is 50. the one in green, that is 15. Okay, we will get to that. So let me erase it and read the numbers. 11. So repeat after me, please. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good, very good. So far, we covered the numbers from number 1 to number 10, and then number 11 to number 20. Let's go ahead to the next slide. Now, I have all the numbers here, okay, in the correct order. Let's go ahead. I need you to try to say the numbers on your own, okay? Try to read the numbers starting from the first one. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good. So now we're done with the first line. Let's go to the next one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good, very good. Now, let's go ahead and do some exercises. As you can see here, I have all the numbers starting from number 1 till number 20, except of some numbers, right? Some numbers are missing. Help me out, try to fill the missing spaces, okay? So I have number 1. What comes next? 1. And then I have number 2. Very good. I have number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I have 6. What comes after 6? I have 7. Excellent. 7. 8. 8. 9. Very good. And 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Let's go to the next line. Now I have a missing number followed by 12. So I have 11, 10, 11, 12. After 12 I have 13. Very good. 13, 14. What do I have next? I have 15. Very good. 15, 16. Now, in the last line, I have 2 missing numbers. They are number 17, 18, and 19. Very good. And 19. And the last number is number 20. Let's go ahead and read the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next exercise. Now, we have the numbers, these numbers, we read them together, but now I need you to do the math. What do I mean by this? I have some practices here. It's either we're gonna add or we're gonna have take some numbers. So for example, let me help you with the first one. 4 plus 6. So I will have 4 and I will add number 6. So what do you think? 4 plus 6 equals 10. Very good. Equals 10. Let's go to the next one. 9 plus 11. 9 plus 11. So what do you think? Now we can do it without using our hands, remember? So the total here is 20. Very good. So 9 plus 11 equals 20. Now I have a different sign here. It's 20 but not plus. I have minus. 20 minus 5. So I will have 20 and I will move or remove 5. Minus 5 equals 15. Very good. So what I need you to do now is I will give you about 30 to 35 seconds try to do as many maths here as you can, okay? But remember, look for the sign in the middle. It's either a minus or you have to add, okay? So go with the fourth one and then move to the next side. I will give you about 30 seconds. So I have 17 minus 10. I have 2 plus 5. Try to do it. Try to do as many as you can. I have 12 plus 6, 7 minus 2, 14 minus 8, 8 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 10 minus 5, and 9 minus 6. So, how far did you get? Okay, so let's go ahead and do the one we left. 17 minus 10. Okay, so I will have the total is 7. Excellent. 17 minus 10 will be 7. Moving to the one in the middle, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Very good. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Next, 12 plus 6. Go ahead, try to do it as fast as you can. 2 plus 6 equals 18. Very good. As you can see, all the numbers we have are written above here, starting from number 1 till number 20. Okay? 7 minus 2 equals 5. Very good. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Next, 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Very good, very good. Now let's go to the next one. 8 plus 4. So I have 8 and I will add 4. That will have the total 12. Very good. It will leave us with a total 12. Next, 3 plus 4. That's an easy one. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 9 minus 6 equals 3. Very good, very good. Let's have a different exercise. Now, I have all the numbers here, right? But as you can see, first, are they in the correct order? They're not. What I need you to do now is write the word, not the number, okay? For example, I have 10. This is how we write the word itself, okay? It will help us to pronounce the number correctly, okay? So I have 10, 19, 2, what do you think? What's the next one? 7, very good, very good. Next one I have 3, excellent, I have 3. Next one I have number 12, very good, number 12. Next I have 18, very good, I have number 18, excellent. Next I have number 1, very good. Now look at the words and match them with the number above them, okay? This is how we say the word or the number. 15, 4, next one, what do you think? 11, very good. I have number 8, excellent. Number 5, very good, very good. Next one I have 13, very good. 9, 16, 20, 6, 14, and 17. Very good, very good. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Now again, now I have a missing numbers, okay, but they are not in order. So you might have the same number in different exercise. So let's go ahead. I have 10, missing box, and 12. So what comes between 10 and 12, my dear student? What comes between 10 and 12? 10, 11, very good. 10, 11, 12. Next one. 15, 16, 17, very good. 15, 16, 17. Next one I have 13, 14, 15. Very good, very good. Next one 9, 10, 11. Very good. Next one 11, 12, 13. As I told you, we might have the same answer, but different locations or different places. Next, 12. What comes between 12 and 14? I have number 13 again. Very good, 13. Next one, 17, 18, 19. Very good, 19. The last one I have 18. So what comes between 18 and 20? I have number 19. Very good, my dear student. Yeah. Now what I need you to do, and this is for fun, go ahead. I have different items, as you can see, and 2 options for each item. Okay? So for example, for the first pictures, I have start counting. I have 1, 2, how many? And I have 2 options. Okay? It's either 3 balls or 8 balls. So what do you think? 3 or 8? Go ahead and count. For me, I can see 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 balls. Very good. I can see 3 balls. Very good. So you know what to do now. For the next items, I have pencils. Go ahead and count how many pencils do we have. And I have, it's either 5 or 6. So what do you think? What do you think the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 5. Very good. The answer is 5. I have 5 pencils. Let's go to the next one. How many rubbers do we have? Or erasers? How many? Go ahead. I have 2 options, 2 or 5. 1, 2. I have 2 rubbers. Very good. Excellent. For the next one, I have school bags. How many school bags do we have? And this is very important, my dear student, because in maybe later this lesson, I will tell you about the singular and plural. We will revise them. How many bags can you see? For me, I can count up to 1, 2, 3, 4 school bags. Very good, 4 school bags. Let's go to the next one. Now, I try to make it harder with big numbers, okay? So let's start with the books. How many books can you see here? Now, you have 2 options. 8 and 6. So how many books can you see? Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. Very good. I have 6 books. Excellent. For the next one, and this is the very easy one. How many pencil case can you see? How many pencil case can you see? 1, 2. You have 2 options. Either 1 or 10. You don't need to count. It's singular. It's just 1. 1 pencil case, a pencil case. Very good. For the next one, I have notebooks. How many notebooks can you see? You have 2 options. It's either 3 or 7. Go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 7. Excellent, excellent. And for the last one, and it's also an easy one, how many rulers can you see? And I have 2 options for you. There's no way I'm having 1 ruler because I can count up to 10 rulers. Very good, 10 rulers. Excellent, excellent. So now let's have a different exercises. As you can see, I gave you the first one as an example. This is a good introduction for our singular and plural sessions later. Count the number of the object. So how many balloons can you see? 1, 2, 2, 2 balloons. Very good. How many turtles can you see? Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3. I can see 4 turtles. Very good. 4 turtles. How many burgers can you see, my dear student? How many burgers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burgers. Very good. How many hot dogs can you see? Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I have 5 hot dogs. Next one, how many dogs can you see here? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. How many trucks can you see? Or how many cars can you see? 1, 2. 2 cars. Very good. How many gifts? How many gifts? 1, 2, 3. 3 gifts. How many cats can you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. Very good. How many apples can you see? 1, 2, 3. 4 apples. How many clowns can you see? Just 1. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's have this exercise, but here I gave you 3 options. I gave you the first 2 as an example. I have the word. Remember, we took the word, the number as a word and as a number, like number 1 here, and I have 3 options for you, 12, 1, and 3. And we circle the correct answer. So as for the second one, I have 6, and I have 3 options, and I circle the correct answer. Let's go and do the same for the remaining exercises. 11, that's 11. How about the next one, my dear student? I have 16. I have 3 choices. Where do you think is number 16? Where do you think is number 16? Very good. That is 16. Excellent. That is 16. Next one. 2. 2. Where is 2? Where is 2? That is 2. Very good. Excellent. Next one I have 7. Go ahead. Try to locate 7. Where is 7? I have 3 choices. That is 7. Very good. 12. 12. Very good. That is number 12. Next one I have 17. 17. Go ahead. Try to find 17. That is 17. Excellent. Next one I have 3. 3. Very good. That is number 3. Next one I have 8. That is 8. Very good. I have 13. That is 13. And for the last one, I have 18. That is number 18. Very good, my dear student. Okay, let's have different exercises. Count. How many elephants? How many elephants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 7. Very good. How many elephants can you see? How many purple elephants now? I can see 1, 2, 3. Excellent. How many zebras can you see? Actually, I will give you 5 seconds or maybe 7 to count. As you can see, it's a big number. Go ahead and count. How many zebras can you see? I can count 12 zebras. Very good. 12 zebras. Next one. Big numbers. Be ready. How many monkeys can you see? How many monkeys can you see? Go ahead and count. Try to be as fast as you can. Big numbers, huh? I know you can do it. How many monkeys? 90 monkeys. Very good. 90 monkeys. How many toys do we have here? How many? Go ahead and count. I have 16. Very good. 16. And for the last one, how many hippo do we have? How many hippo do we have? I have 5 hippos. Very good, my dear student. Let's go ahead and skip this part and try to get to our singular and plural. Okay, so if we are talking about singular, then I mean just one item. An apple, a carrot, a teacher, a student, a chair, a bag, a desk. Okay, but if I'm talking about plural, 5 apples, 2 carrots, 11 teachers, 25 students, 5 windows, 2 cars, and so on. As you can see here, I have different examples. Here I have the same item. Tomato, that's singular, and tomatoes, plural. Box, boxes, boy, one boy, boys, thief, thieves. There are some changes, but you will get to that next year. Mango, mangoes, baby, babies. Very good. Now, let's have some exercise. As you can see, I have two animals here. I have a cat and I have cats. Two cats. 1, 2, plural. I have a ring, just one. And I have 3 rings. I have 3 rings. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and complete. As you can see, to your left, I have a dish and I have dishes. I have a duck and I have ducks, plural. I have a box. I have boxes. Now we have to use E here. And I have a dress, singular. And we cannot just go ahead and add S. I must add ES, dresses. Very good. Now, how about now you give me the word? No choices here. You get to give me the word. The first item, do we have apple or apples, my dear student? What do you think? I have an apple. Very good. An apple. Very good. Very good. For the next one, what do we have? I have oranges, plural. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 oranges. For the next one, I have bananas. Excellent. Bananas. For the next, I have potatoes or chips, maybe. I have shops. 1, 2. I have 2 shops. And for the last one, I have a mask. 1 mask. A singular. Very good. Now, let's have different exercises. I have a girl. Singular. A girl. 2 girls. Very good. 1, a girl, 2 girls. I have 3 trees. 1, 2, 3, 3 trees. I have a shirt, 2 shirts. Very good. 2 shirts. I have a table. I have 4 tables. I have 4 tables. Very good. Now, same exercise. I have an apple, 6 flowers. Go ahead. As you can see, I have the S in red. I have 3 cats. I have a ball or a basketball. I have 5 birds. And for the last item, I have a pencil. A pencil. Very good. Now, let's revise what we have learned, my dear student, in this lesson. In this lesson, we practiced number. Actually, we took so many exercises about numbers because that was an introduction for the singular and plural. We were able also to name some items as singular. For example, I have an apple, an orange, a banana, a boy, a girl. And we also named the plural apples, oranges, bananas, boys and girls. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.